Welcome, welcome, my friends. Welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Today's topic is all about project management, and we're going to talk about four crucial characteristics of project manager. These are important characteristics for any project manager to become successful in his career. First is dependability. Being on time, meeting deadlines are two important aspects of dependability. Coming on time is one of the important characteristics a project manager can demonstrate to his team. People will follow his leader. Another project manager, if you are following the right discipline, people will also follow the same discipline. Meeting deadlines is another important aspect of dependability. If you meet deadlines, if you do complete your project on time, people will trust you, stakeholders will trust you more and more, and you will be growing in your career. Supporting peers, the peers working along with you, you need to support them in whatever way you can. In sometimes one peer will need help, you must extend the hand to that peer so that he is able to perform. And that's why being team player is very, very important. You have to be working like team player. Whenever team needs you, you have to be raising the first hand to support the team. Right? Another said, leading with example. Whatever rules you set, whatever you want your team to follow, you as a leader must walk the talk. And that's how leading with the example comes. If you want a team to be there on site by specific time, you must be there 5 minutes before that time. And then team will follow you. They will think that he means business and he delivers it, he shows it, right? This is very, very important aspect of first characteristics, dependability. Second, as I always say, project manager must spend 90% of its time on communication. Second aspect is communication. Communication is needed for a lot of things. Communication is needed to negotiate. Communication is needed to solve the conflicts, because when you work with teams, there is bound to be some conflicts. Those have to be negotiated well. Communication is all about getting your message clearly, concisely to the other side. This is one of the important characteristics of a project manager. And you can see there's a data point over here in front of your screen. 58% are non-verbal cues. 38% depend on your tone, and 7% only are spoken words. So communication overall must be your body language, must be your tone, and the choice of words you use to communicate. This is very important. Third is crisis management. Risk is part and parcel of project. How do you manage that risk proactively depends on your ability to manage crisis. 59% businesses or projects experience crisis. Only 54 are prepared. And I don't mean of crisis management like firefighting, that when the crisis happens, you go and douse the fire. No, it's very important to be proactively ready for any crisis. So when the crisis happens, you don't get into panic zone and you solve the problems with your mitigation plan. That is what I mean by crisis management. Project manager must be proactive and must be able to have this important characteristic called crisis management. You have to detect early, you have to identify it, consider it, and engage it when it happens. So this is another important characteristics of a project manager. Fourth is sense of humor. As a project manager, you must have the sense of humor, which will keep the entire atmosphere, the environment light. 62% feel humor helps succeed, and 100% feel that humor is an important part of conducting business. Similarly, project as usual is a challenging. Having sense of humor, getting those small lighter moments will help team, to boost their morale. So these are four important characteristics I thought I'll bring it to you and you can implement on your projects. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel. Follow me on YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, and ajazkazi.com. Thank you very much.